this video we are going to understand how to switch poses using Scratch. So it's basically like, again, you are changing costumes. So what we do is we take a particular character, this one, and we can delete the cat sprite as that is not required right now, and we need a backdrop. So let's say the player is the sprite, the character is playing basketball. So I take a related backdrop and place the player on the game stage as appropriate. Now these are the different set of costumes available for this particular player, or you can say the sprite, and we need to basically switch the costumes like continuously, so that it should appear that it is defending the ball from the other player while playing the game. And so here we give a particular instruction that when you press this particular key, so it should change the costume. And here you can set any particular key like a green flag or a space bar or a number or an alphabet, anything. And what we are doing is we are changing the costume, that first change to the first costume, then wait for some time, then change back to the second costume. Here on the drop down list you can see many options are there, so I'm taking these two. You can take any other two as well. So once we are going to play, so this is how it is going to change the costumes, and you can take the other set of costumes as well. So this is how they pose on the game stage. And now is the time to save the work, so give an appropriate name like the sprite is changing the costumes, and we are through.